Run for your lives. Run to the hills. Your turn. Run for your life. Run for close and barren ways, the galloping hot on the plains, the chasing the redskins back to their holes, fighting them at their own game. They're here for freedom, stabbed in the back, waving and children and powers attack. Run to the hills. Run for your life. Run to blowing their barren ways, hunting and killing their game, raping the women and slaving the man. The only good Indians are tamed, selling the whiskey, taking their gold, enslaving the unknown, restoring the old. Run to the hills, run for your life, run to Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you. See you next time.